to this 100% live learning platform, as you all know, and all of you here are repeat participants, so there's nothing new that I'm going to share. Nevertheless, all of you know we are educators and a training organization. We do not sell anything or receive kickbacks from any product or services if we happen to refer to anything during our sessions. This session is going to be recorded. You can request for a link by writing to help@getsetup.io, and also we are recording this for training purposes. You will receive an email after the session with some pointers that we would have discussed in the session. Chat is available to you. We encourage you to use the chat while the session is on. The speaker will be reading the chat from time to time, but we have Isha, my colleague here, who's assisting us, and she will also read out the chat just in case Savitri ma'am is busy talking. So don't worry, your chat, your comments will be read out. Please mute your mic when not speaking. That does not mean you have to stay quiet all the time. This is an interactive session. You will be prompted to speak up from time to time. That's when just raise your hand, unmute yourself, and speak on. Our mission at Get Set Up is to create economic opportunity for older adults and help each other learn new tools and skills that we need to stay connected and also live a healthy and happy life. We have classes across technology, health and fitness, mental wellness, singing, dancing, hobby ideas, social hours, and also guest speakers. Do keep checking back on our website, www.getsetup.in, for more classes and register yourself for the topics of your interest and convenience. If you know others in your organization, in your network, extended family and friends who might benefit from these classes, please spread the word around, bring them along here, share the link with your friends. Show them how to register for the classes. Please let us know if you have any ideas or suggestions for our class. As you all know, we have also started last week a visit to my kitchen. So this is something we have started new. So those of you who are interested in sharing your recipes, something that is authentic, something that is your trademark or signature recipe, do let us know. Join that group. Isha will be sharing that link in the chat box. Feel free to join. We are going to compile the recipes together and roll it out as a Get Set Up recipe book from the ambassadors. We also have ambassador programs. Most of you, as you all know, if you complete more than 5 or 7 classes, you are already our ambassador because you are bringing in people, you are coming to this platform again and again. So you also can co-host some sessions if you want to. Do let us know. With this, now I hand over the platform to Dr. Savitri Kulkarni, who's our speaker for the day. She comes with, she's our guide now, so you'll get to see her more often. So a couple of times I will be there, but once, I have just handed over, then I don't need to be around. You all will be familiar with her. Dr. Savitri has comes with a background in HR and also academia. She continues to teach. She's a visiting faculty in Wellington, Symbiosis, Tata Institute of Social Sciences, and many other institutions. And with this, Dr. Savitri, all yours, take over.
Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. Because I didn't get a good morning, so I was wondering what happened. Good morning, Bina.
Good
nice to see you. Nice to see you.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, Daritri.
Good morning. We are all muted, ma'am.
Yes. You can unmute yourself.
Yes, you can unmute and wish back and then mute back again. So as you all know, this is an interactive session. So from time to time, if there is something that you have to speak or if Savitri prompts you to speak, please unmute, speak, and then mute back again.
Yeah. So some of you have been on my session the first time where we did making choices. And going further from making choices, how do we make choice if we don't know ourselves? Hi, good morning, Lopa.
Hi, good morning, Sarthi. Good morning.
Good to see you.
Yeah, Syria.
Binda Lopa has been my colleague for a very, very long time.
Yeah, okay. Slopa
Yeah,
has been
worked
coming
together.
on this platform for some time. Nice to know that.
And we have been working, we have worked on various projects together. And
Great.
so that's how I know her. Okay. So one of the ways is to understand ourselves. How do we understand ourselves? Jayashree, if you are standing, why don't you please sit down? How long will you stand? Yeah, that is nice. Yeah. So how do you know yourself? Anyone would like to answer? How do you know yourself?
Well, one of the ways is when you see how people react to you, how they talk about you, or from other people, their reactions, their interactions with you. You come to know a little bit about yourself from other people's interactions. I mean, that's one of the ways.
One of the ways. Good morning, Manju. Nice to see you.
Through introspection.
Introspection. Okay. What else? Anything else? If you have been, if we all have been to college, and those of us who would have done psychology as a subject years ago, would remember that in one of our classes, we had done a concept called the Johari window. It is a concept of understanding oneself. Johari is spelled with Johari. There are two different names. One is Joe and one is Harry. There were two psychologists who invented this test called the Johari window test. You can go on the, you can do it yourself. You can go on the website, in Johari window website, and take the self-assessment test. It immediately gives you your results, and it is you cannot print it out. That's the only thing, but you can read your own results. And if you answer it in a way that when you're not stressed out, when you don't have too many things in your head, and you're sitting quietly in a nice place and you're sitting relaxed, answer the test, and you will find that to a very large extent, lots of things that we didn't know about ourselves come up on the test, and it opens our eyes. And then the question is, why should we open our eyes at this age? No, this is the right age to open our eyes, because if we want to change ourselves, I know it is difficult, but we can change ourselves without wanting to change others. So it is easy that way in terms of changing ourselves. It is for self-analysis, and it considers what our strengths are, what our weaknesses are, and it also helps to understand whether we can do something in life. Like, for example, I have a very clear question which most people ask me, because all my life I have done teaching, and all my life I have been in training, and all my life I have lived in a joint family. So sometimes, very often, people ask me, what is your area of interest? Believe me, I cannot give them that area of interest, because I've never thought about it. And today when I sit by myself, I find I have so many things which I can do now. Had I realized this interest maybe 10 years ago, I would have built a platform for myself and done it here. But yet it's not too late. So that is how you come to realize about yourself. And that test, I have done it n number of times, n number of ways, n number of time. You can do it once in the morning. After 20 days, do it in the evening. Anytime, if the answers to a certain set of questions come the same, it means you're relatively well set in life. But don't get disheartened if some of the things are a very big surprise to you for yourself in the window. Because the window was constructed by two psychologists. One was Joseph Luft and Harry Ingemann. So what they took Joseph's Joe and Harry H-A-R-I and made it the Johari window. It was established in the year 1955 for selection of army personnel for the World War. And then it is now being used in organizations for selection purposes, for giving people promotion, and also for finding how and where people stand. For us as housewives, working women, or just people who don't have, who want to try out new things in life, doing a test of this kind will help us to understand ourselves better, because it consists of 4 quadrants. It has 4 different quadrants in it. And these 4 quadrants are, the first quadrant is your arena. That is your open self. What you know about yourself and what others know about you is what the world knows about you. And very often we are like the mannequin in the shop. The shop has a mannequin telling you this is what we are going to sell, this is the cost, and this is it. So what we show to the outer world is our mannequin. How we want the world to look at us is what we present to the world, and that becomes our open self. This open self is made public. Like, for example, some of us would not like to disclose certain personal habits, so we don't disclose them.
Savitri, can I just interrupt here? If you can
Please.
use Hindi in between,
Okay,
because just in between sometime, because there are
I'll-
mixed
I'll-
audience.
Yeah. जोहरी विंडो के 4 विंडोज होते हैं. सबसे पहला विंडो जो है वो खुला विंडो है, ओपन विंडो, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि मेरे बारे में आप सब कुछ जानते हो और आपके बारे में मैं सब कुछ जानती हूँ. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल, आज आप इस प्रोग्राम में आए और मैं भी आई, तो आप जानते हो कि मैं यहाँ की गाइड हूँ और मैं जानती हूँ कि आप यहाँ के ऑडियंस हो. हम दोनों अपने बारे में इतना ही जानते हैं. आप गेट सेट के ऑडियंस हो और मैं गेट सेट की गाइड हूँ. इसके आगे अगर हम दोनों एक दूसरे को जानना चाहें तो हमें ये एरिना और थोड़ा खुला करना पड़ेगा. I will have to open up. Like with friends, like Lopa knows a lot more about me than anyone else here in this classroom, or Binda knows a lot more about me than anyone here in this classroom. For the simple reason कि मैं बिंदा की फ्रेंड हूँ और मैं जो चाहती हूँ वो बिंदा को कहती हूँ और बिंदा उसको अपने पास रखती है. तो मेरा खुला विंडो जो है, ओपन विंडो जो है, I make it public for the public to understand about me. जो आप सबने दुकान देखी होगी, एंड दुकान में जनरली देयर इज अ मैनिक्विन. एक सुंदर सी मूर्ति रखी होती है, मूर्ति को सजाया होता है और आपको कहा जाता है कि आइए अंदर, इतने सुंदर मूर्ति के ऊपर दिख रहा है तो आपके ऊपर भी दिखेगा. हम वैसे ही हैं. हम भी अपने आप को बहुत सजाते हैं, बहुत नत्ता थत्ता करते हैं और फिर लोगों के सामने आते हैं. ये जो मेरा रूप है, ये मेरा रूप मैं आपको जानना चाहती हूँ बस. इसके आगे अगर आप आना चाहोगे तो आपको और मुझे थोड़ी दोस्ती बढ़ानी होगी. और इसके लिए हमें आप यहाँ से, जब मैं आपसे बात करती हूँ, when I'm talking to you, you know that I use my hands, I use my facial expressions, and I talk in a manner that you can understand. So this is my behavior which is open to you. But supposing all of a sudden there is a big noise next to my house and all of us get stunned, then what is my behavior at that minute becomes situational. It is not something which I open. It is very, very situational. And इसलिए at that minute, that is one thing आपको पता चलेगा कि सावित्री को बड़े आवाज से डर लगता है. So that is a new thing you will come to know about me when I am in the open area. Then there is a blind area. Blind का मतलब अंधा. What is the blind area? Does anyone have any idea who can tell me what is the blind area? Anyone can say?
We don't
Blind-
know about ourselves.
as the word says, blind means we cannot see. मतलब हमें दिखता ही नहीं है, वो हमारे अंदर है लेकिन हमें दिखता नहीं है, because we are blind to it. मतलब we don't know about that,
We don't
but
know.
we have it in us.
In us, okay. And we are surprised when someone tells us, isn't it?
Yeah. कई बार होता है कि भाई अच्छा, this is you, and then we say really I didn't know about it.
Yeah.
So maybe I need to do something about it. और अगर अच्छा है तो you say अच्छा, good. Sometimes अच्छा भी लोग कहते हैं ये है, तो you say okay,
बिल्कुल.
that's a nice thing to hear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that is also a surprise sometimes, because I'll give you
Correct.
a very simple. I'll give you a very simple example. I typically wear only saris. When I'm in the open classroom, online classrooms, I'm only in saris. And I wear all kinds of cotton and silk saris.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Yes, Sabha, please go ahead.
The area which other cannot see in myself.
That is your blind area.
Yes,
Okay.
I am not blind, but other cannot visualize it in me. That is a blind.
But you may be also blind to something in you, na?
Yes, sometimes.
Isn't it?
Sometimes I was blind. I can say I was when I came in this platform. I don't know about myself. I have so much talent in myself. And now after coming here, I see I am able to write something. I am able to make something. So many creative ideas has came after coming here in Binda ma'am session. So that is which I don't know about myself. I am so much talented. So that
first
also
you-
came out. Slowly,
Yeah.
slowly, I am learning about myself also. Oh, these all qualities are hidden inside me.
Yes. So we are either hiding
वही
or
बात
we are
मेरे साथ
blind.
मुझे तो कुछ लगता ही नहीं मेरे में कुछ रहता है मेरे को भी
हाँ जी।
नहीं लगता
Haji? Someone
No,
was
it's
saying
okay. I muted. It's okay. Go ahead. I muted the person.
Okay.
पुष्पा जी आप अपना म्यूट कर दीजिए, मुझे नहीं हो रहा है.
So अपने में कुछ अपने को समझ में नहीं आता. Like I was giving an example कि मैं हमेशा ऑफलाइन क्लास में साड़ी में रहती हूँ और मुझे पता नहीं था. मेरी एक स्टूडेंट ने एक दिन मुझे कहा, मैडम आपको पता है क्या कि आप हमेशा मरून कलर की साड़ी पहनती हो और उसको हमेशा बॉर्डर होती है. फॉर अ मिनट मुझे पता ही नहीं चला. मैं सालों से वही पहनती थी. And surprisingly, when I went home and saw my wardrobe, I found more than half my sarees were in maroon and everyone had a border. The reason being, my mother-in-law bought most of my sarees, and she felt that border wala sari acha lagta hai, so she kept buying and I kept wearing. And believe me, even today I have not changed much because I still keep wearing. I still look out. First thing I look out is for the border and the pallu. So much conditioning in my head about what I like. I don't know whether I really like the maroon color or not, but yes, I have a lot of maroons in different shades of maroons. So that was a blind area which she showed it to me, and I tried to make a conscious change by buying pink, yellow. But the minute I wore them, I felt very uncomfortable. So I went back to wearing again the maroon sari. Then there is something in us which we put a facade or hide. पर्दा लगाते हैं अपने आप पे. Yeah. Jayashree, I can't hear you. You're on mute. You can add. You can unmute yourself.
Yeah. Like पर्दा लगा के घूम रहे हैं हम लोग.
Yes.
Showing something different, but we feel something different.
Different, exactly. It is an area which is known only to me. It is only known to me. No one else knows. Whether I'm a vegetarian or a non-vegetarian is only known to me. How I behave in my house or shout at my maid or shout at my daughter or anyone is only known to me. That is my hidden self. That is the facade that I put on. My public face is different and my personal and professional faces are different. We have two different faces which we show to the world. And we keep these things hidden for the simple reason कि लोगों को इसके बारे में समझेगा तो लोग क्या कहेंगे. That is the thing. And therefore we don't talk about it. Like I was once asked, this is a very stupid question, but I was asked. I and my husband were asked a question that I have been married to a Kannadiga who comes from Karnataka. And as you know, we Indians are so crazy about boys. We want a son always. Ghar ka diya, wo, ye, wo. So then one of my uncle's very old grandfather said, "Arey, you don't have boys. What will happen to you after your death?" So my husband was so calm. I admire his calmness. And he so calmly said, "Aja, today there is electric crematorium. They will put me there. Simple." So he was so clear about what he wanted and so clear in his thoughts that he did not get carried away with people And he did not put up a fakad ki nahi nahi mujhe bura lag raha hai, aise kaise ho sakta hai वगैरह वगैरह. We generally put on a fakad when we don't want to expose ourselves. You know, like I'm not a very good cook. I tell it to the world because really I'm not a very good cook. And the lockdown made me a cook who was forced into the kitchen all the time, doing jhadu, katka, bhandi, everything. And each day I was feeling worse and worse because I'm not the kind of person who can sit in a house, cook, drink, make food, make this, make that. Fine, I'll do it. Go to the kitchen, half an hour, come out, do finish everything. But there are people who enjoy the kitchen a lot. They have made businesses out of being in the kitchen. Like Binda said, they are trying to bring out a sorry.
Welcome to my kitchen.
Yeah. Oh my God. I got disconnected. 1 minute. Yeah, sorry, I got disconnected. I'm in Pune and the fluctuation is very high here. So therefore, sometimes I get disconnected. So the kitchen, I have learned a lot of things with what I learned is by seeing my mother-in-law do it. And she was a very good teacher. She opened up a lot of my blind areas for me. And she opened it up leaf by leaf, not everything at one time. So when you open it up leaf by leaf, it doesn't hurt you much. But when you open it up like a sport, और सब धड़ाक करके खोलते हो तो मन को दर्द होता है. So it is very important कि हमारा जो hidden area, जो blind area है, उसको हम आस्ते आस्ते समझ सके. ये blind area जो है, वो हमारे emotions, hidden area जो है या फकाट जो है, वो हमारे emotions है. How many of us can cry in public? We don't very often cry. We will not cry unless it is, you know, very, it is so much emotional that we'll cry.
Yeah. We don't want to cry.
We will not show, we'll just do this. We'll do something like this.
Childhood,
feel
we have
bad.
always, from childhood, we
feel
are
bad
told,
also.
don't cry.
Don't cry, don't cry. I remember when I was married and the first time something went wrong at home, I started crying. And my father-in-law said, the first rule in this house is no one cries. So you don't cry very often. But look at a child. Have you seen how a child cries? You see a child, if you have a child of 4 and 5 at home, he will cry. His mother will shout at him or granny will shout at him. He will start crying. Then he goes to the mirror. He stands in front of the mirror and starts crying. He looks at himself when he is crying. He is aware how he looks when he is crying. And his voice goes up the minute mama screams. And when mama is not paying attention, it goes up even higher. How many of us have felt कि रास्ते पे बैठो और छलांग लगाओ, टक टक टक, just do this? I feel sometimes I should do sitting on the road like a child, but we can't do it because our age does not permit us to do it. But for a child, it permits him to do it. But we can always eat an ice cream on the streets, isn't it? We can eat a candy ice cream, but some of us still don't eat. Like I never ate for some years because I was a teacher and I felt everywhere that I went, I would see students around me and they would say, next day the college would, they would talk about it in the college, ki kya madam, mango stick kha rahi thi raste pe. So then my family said, then you get lost. Don't come with us anywhere. You sit at home. That is when I realized, again, see how my facade of being a teacher was opened up so badly by the family. And they said, if you want to enjoy life, forget that you have students around you. They are going to be there all your life. They will be there at customs. They will be there at stores. They will be there in Belpuri shops. They will be there in aircrafts. They will be there everywhere. Because of being in the field for over 3 decades, you have had so many students who have come. How many are you going to avoid? तो वो जो फकाड़ है, वो जो मेरी इमोशंस थी, वो जो मेरी फीलिंग्स थी, मेरी फैमिली ने मुझे उसको निकालने के लिए मदद किया. हमारे सब में ये होता है. ये इमोशंस कभी कभी हम बताते नहीं है. Like for example, I am living on my own. and my daughter lives on the 4th floor. I thought I would start living on my own and have a cook and everything. I tried it for 1 week, believe me. But getting the food, sanitizing it, drying it, washing it, I said, no, I'm eating with my daughter. So again, that fakat that I put of bravery in front of myself, saying that मैं कर सकती हूँ. My daughter asked me what happened. किधर गया तुम्हारा एकदम? You became a big saint and said, I will do this, I will do that. क्या हुआ? So we put on, because of our age, we want to prove I can do it, but nahi hota hai. So I couldn't do it. I still eat lunch and dinner with her. At least I get to interact with her family and everything. And it gives me a human touch to my life. So that is how I've learned to look at life. Then the last area is the unknown. We don't know anything about our life. The birth and death is controlled by someone else. What lies between them is what is our life. And that is where we need to enjoy. We need to understand. We need to know. Even if it is unknown, leave it and try it. Like, for example, those of us who are vegetarians, at some point in time, have we tried to eat a chicken or a fish? I know people who don't even go to a restaurant which is vegetarian and non-vegetarian. They only go to a restaurant which has a vegetarian kitchen. I'm a member of a club in Mumbai, and there this fight was going on, vegetarian, non-vegetarian, because it was full of Gujaratis in the club. And then they found a solution. They divided the kitchen into 2 parts, put a partition, and said, "Ye vegetarian hai, ye non-vegetarian." Ho gaya. Chalo. Everyone was satisfied with that much. See how easy it is. But sometimes it makes such a big issue of these unknown things that we don't know how to handle them. Very simple thing. It may not be about you. It may be about something else. And because you are a person who is so close to the person drops all his anger on you. And you feel, oh my God, I'm the bakra. They made me the bakra. They made me this. They made me that. My unknown self acts overthinking hota hai. And we all do a lot of overthinking. And overthinking does not help. Please believe me. Overthinking karne se kuch nahi hota hai. We only go into the future, which we don't know. Don't overthink about the past also, because it is gone. Abhi kuch kar sakte ho? कुछ नहीं कर सकते. किसके साथ खेल सकते हो अभी? Anyone? अभी किसके साथ खेल सकते हो? अपनी दुनिया में, अपनी जिंदगी में. प्रेजेंट के साथ. यस, प्रेजेंट के साथ खेल सकते हैं. अगर प्रेजेंट के साथ खेल सकते हैं तो उसको खुशी से क्यों नहीं खेले? Do you think it is easy? खुशी से खेलना? Can we do it? Is it possible or not possible?
कभी आगे का सोचते हैं, कभी पीछे का सोचते हैं.
पॉसिबल है, अपना सोच बदलना पड़ेगा.
सोच नहीं बदल सकते मैडम इस उम्र में.
क्यों बदल सकते हैं?
Give me an example ना रीता जी. कैसे, अगर आपका अनुभव है तो हमारे साथ जरा शेयर कर दीजिए. We also can learn.
Everyone and take care of yourself.
हाँ. Ignore everyone.
अपने में मस्त रहो.
जैसे, sorry,
अपने में मस्त रहो. बस यही मेरा फंडा है, अपने में मस्त रहो.
तो आपकी हॉबीज क्या है? आप क्या करते हैं?
मैं गेट सेट के जितने डांस प्रोग्राम्स है सारे ज्वाइन करती हूँ.
I wish I can learn that from you. मुझे भी डांस करना है लेकिन गट्स ही नहीं हो रही है.
तो मैं बस वो सारे जितने भी गेट सेट के प्रोग्राम डांस के हैं सब ज्वाइन किया हुआ है. तो उसी में इतना बिजी रहती हूँ तो मेरा टाइम बहुत अच्छा निकलता है.
Very good. There's an example here. उनका unknown self कितना खुला कर दिया देखो उन्होंने. अपने को पता नहीं था लेकिन रीटा जी did it by saying that I मस्त रहो, खुश रहो. That's the only way we can survive today, because we are at that age where if we sit with our agony, we will become morose, unhappy, not happy at all. And if we sit with only the khushi, we will never see the other side of life. We need to see both sides of life, and we need to be happy within ourselves. Only that is possible when we are self-aware. What is meant by self-aware? Anyone? कोई बता सकता है सेल्फ अवेयरनेस, खुद को जानने का मतलब क्या होता है? हम अपने आप को कैसे जानते हैं?
You know your bad points and your good points, and you try to better your bad points.
And you better your bad. Okay. Is it easy to better your bad points?
No, it's not easy, but you have to try. You know what you are doing wrong, but it just happens. But you have to. You tell someone or your husband that मैं ऐसा कर रही हूँ, तो मुझे चुपचाप टोको. So I will better myself, not in public.
Very correct. Very correct.
Better yourself.
Yes. Yes. So अपने आप को टोकने के अपना एक कोई पार्टनर चाहिए जो अपने को बताएगा कि आप जो कर रहे हैं, and not through in the public. Very many people public में बोल लेते ये तुमने गलत कर दिया. Then we are embarrassed. बट अगर एक पार्टनर हो जो आंखों की मूवमेंट से या हाथों की मूवमेंट से या नज करके अपने को बताए कि ये गलत किया, या दूसरे रूम में लेके जाके बताए कि ये आपने गलत किया, then we are able to improve ourselves much better. And if it's told in the context, very often what happens is some people get angry and they just blurt it out, and then they ask you, why did you scream at me? क्या पता? They don't know कि वो situation, उस situation में what I did, even I am not aware and others are also not aware. So being self-aware means knowing my strengths, knowing my weaknesses. I wouldn't call them weaknesses, I call them my concerns. Weakness बोलोगे तो वो negative होता है, but concerns बोलोगे तो you are willing to act on it. But weakness पे कोई act करने के weakness है, जाने दो, छोड़ दो, रहेगा ही. But जब मैं बोलती हूँ कि मुझे concern है, I will make some effort to change it. And I know what are the future things that I can do. Like Rita ji just said, I do dance all the time. I want to dance. I tried enrolling for a Zumba class and I just couldn't do it. I couldn't put my camera on to see myself dancing. I've still not tried it. But with her motivation today, I think I will join Get Set Up dance class in this week and see how it happens. Because then I can really, that is one thing, that is one hidden area or something in me that I want to do and I have not done in my life. So that is my self-awareness about myself. Then we have relationships. We have relationships as a daughter, as a mother, as a sister, and as everything. And the woman has some of the most important relationships in her life. And when these relationships are with people whom we know, especially family, we need to make them better. So the minute I come to know what is thoda sa wrong or thoda sa concern, I can change and family will accept. But in the outside world, people may find it surprising. Like 20 years ago, Savitri used to get very angry. So people have seen how my anger has gradually come down, and today I am as cool as ice. I really don't get upset. I don't bother. I don't think. I just stay quiet. I have learned to stay quiet because I find staying quiet and then analyzing it at a later point reduces conflicts in life. And that is the way I have dealt with my anger. So these are some relationships which are very नाजुक, जिनके लिए हमें थोड़ा सा अपने आप को बदलना पड़ता है, क्योंकि सामने वाला नहीं बदलेगा. He will expect you to change. Like if your grandson or granddaughter eats a sweet, the granddaughter will be shouted, but you will also get a shout. इतना भी पता नहीं है कि छोटे बच्चे को sweet नहीं देना है. Like I remember the time when my daughter's younger son was about 5 years old, and at 8 o'clock in the night, I gave him a chocolate ice cream. My daughter brought the earth down, the whole house down. She said, Mama, you have infused so much sugar in this boy now, he will not sleep the whole night. And as luck would have it, the boy didn't sleep till 3 o'clock in the morning. That is how you learn what you should do and what you should avoid. Because when we were young, we ate sugar anytime. We never knew that sugar, Sorry guys, my connection keeps going. I'm really sorry. Because when we were small, रात को भी स्वीट खाया, दिन में भी स्वीट खाया, कभी भी खाया. लेकिन आजकल के मम्मियां नहीं बोलती है, शाम के 7 बजे के बाद स्वीट नहीं खाना है. Why? Because the child will not sleep. His sugar level will go high and he will not sleep. So that is a lesson I learned. That if I have to be with my grandchildren, I must make sure that I don't give them anything sweet in the morning. Tak de do, 12 baje tak de do jo kuch chahiye. If we understand the Johari window, I would still urge each one of you to take the test on the net and find for yourself how much you know about yourself. Don't tell anyone, just do it for yourself. Because by knowing that, you will improve your communication. How we react or how we provide. When you react, you get a conflict. But when you think and say something, you get harmony. So how you react and proact, they are the two words. One is reaction and the other is proaction. Reaction gives conflicts and proaction leads to harmony and success. Or it leads to better communication and we can communicate better with people. I have found over the years that when you're dealing with your own children and you try to tell them something and they're adults, to a large extent they will say, we know. There is a very nice saying in Marathi, Sonarene kan tochale tarach apan aykto. Means if the goldsmith does a hole in your ear, it is genuine. बट और किसी ने उसमें कान पकड़ा तो वो जेन्युइन नहीं होता है. तो इसलिए आपको जो कुछ भी मैसेज देना हो, आई यूज्ड टू डू इट विद माय हस्बैंड. इफ आई हैड अ मैसेज टू गिव माय डॉटर, आई वुड टेल हिम, जरा तुम बोल दो ना, बिकॉज़ डॉटर्स लिसन टू फादर्स मोर. And he would put it in a nice way, flowery way, catch her by her arm, and then explain, which I wouldn't have the patience to do. So get one anchor always. Always have an anchor for yourself. In the kind of couple, it is the husband and wife. If it is you are alone, find a friend who can be the anchor for you. Like I have a very good friend who is about 86 years old, who knows both my daughters very well. And at times when I find it is extremely difficult for me to say anything, I just call her up and I say, please, can you do this for me? And she doesn't do it immediately. She takes her own time. After 1 week, she'll call up my daughter and talk to her. Say, kya hua? ऐसी है मम्मी ने बात ही नहीं किया मेरे से. You know, she builds a different story without my daughter's knowledge, and she has passed on my message to her. So you will have to build an anchor who will help us build and make our communications better. You know, we have to make, because in our age, sometimes overthinking and underthinking can make our communication go bad. You know, I want to say something, but I don't mean it. And then एक बार ये मुंह से निकल गया, तो उसको अंदर नहीं जाना आता है, वो बाहर ही निकलेगा. तो इसीलिए मुंह से निकलने से पहले सोचो और फिर frame the sentence and then say it. I generally sit quietly for 10 minutes or look at a serial or look at something and then I talk, because sometimes I get very nice ideas from these different serial communications. So that is how I have been able to deal with my communication. It helps you in your personal development. The minute you know your results on the Johari window, you will know an area which you may have not gone into. Like I'm saying, I want to dance since childhood, ever since childhood, I want to dance. I know that is an area I want to do it, but have I done anything even at age 64? I have still not done anything. Now, because Rita has motivated me, I'm trying to get into the Get Set Up dance class and see how it feels to dance at this age. So there is a motivation for me, which I picked up from the class from Rita. It helps us to behave properly in groups. You know, very often, it does not happen in India, but very often abroad when we go and children are there and friends come over, there the pattern is that if your children's friends are over, you don't come into the hall or you don't interact with them unless you're invited to interact. But in India, we walk in, we walk out, we do everything. But when you go to a different culture, दूसरे वो किसी के घर में अगर वो है, माहौल की नहीं, आपको आना नहीं है, so you will have to change, because that is how you will have to behave when you are in a group, in teams. We all work in teams. घर में अगर आप joint family में हो, तो it is a team. If it is a husband and wife, it is a team. If it is two sisters, also it is a team. So the dynamics between each other will be different. Like if you ask me, I am the one who is an academician and my brother is also an academician. In between us, we have a sister who's a filmmaker. She's a filmmaker of international repute. She has won so many international prizes. But last 5 years, she said, I'm not going to do anything in life. And she's not doing anything. I, in fact, suggested to her that why don't you come to Binda and see, you can share some of your knowledge of filmmaking, how films are made. She refuses to do it. Reason, her unknown self, she has hidden something which she's not telling us, and she is not doing it. Such people, you can't do anything but quiet. You can only nudge them sometimes. Ki kuch karo, kuch karo. I keep doing that. I see something where they're saying this film of 10 minutes has to be made. So I send it to her. I say, join this competition, do something. The least this now she has reached is where she's doing translation. So she does translation from Hindi to Marathi, Hindi to English, and other languages. And these 3 languages she's good at. So that is something which she has realized now, and she has started opening up. It also helps us to eliminate misunderstandings. How often have हमने बोला है मुझे ये नहीं कहना था, ये मेरा मतलब नहीं था, मैं ऐसा कहना नहीं चाहती थी. कितनी बार बोला है? दिन में एक बार तो बोलते हैं ना? दिन में एक बार तो बोलते हैं.
All the time.
All the time. Vaishnavi, all the time.
So, we have Ghazala also raised her hand. She wants to say something.
Yes, Ghazala. Yes.
I cannot understand the Johari window.
I can't hear you, Ghazala.
I could understand the Johari window when I went to the net. It has 4 sections, and which one we have to answer? The one which is for ourselves, is it? It's a bit complicated.
No. You take the Johari window test, which is for students.
Oh, yes. Okay. Because I was very confused because there are
No.
for the
Don't take the
team
professional one. Don't
you.
take the professional one is complicated. It is meant only to be done by a psychologist. So don't take that one. Take the one that is meant for students or newcomers. Then it is simpler.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Anyone else has any questions before we move on? Okay. Then what else does the Johari window do?
Sorry. Ma'am, we take this test where? Where do we take the test?
Go on the net. You will get it.
Net. Okay.
I have posted the link in the chat, Fazila.
Okay, lovely.
Posted the link in the chat.
Super.
So someone has already done that. Thank you very much for doing it. Because it is easy. But don't do it when you are angry, upset, or busy. Do it at a time when you're relaxed, when you have nothing in your head.
We've done it in college because we were a psycho student, but now I've forgotten about it. I knew there were 4 partitions, but
Yes,
I would like to do it again. Okay, lovely. Thank you.
Okay. Then where do you apply the Johari window? You can apply the Johari window in any kind of work that you do. You can apply it to your maid. You can apply it when you're interacting with your people at home, when you're interacting. If you're a businesswoman, with your employees, you can interact with with anyone where communication is concerned. You can, at least not other communication, but your own communication. The minute you become aware about it and you are aware about your own self, you can change your own communication. Very often we say, can you do this for me? Instead, may I request you to do this for me? Now becomes a better word, more positive, more saying that I give you the choice to do it or not do it. That makes it more easier to do it. So therefore, if you can use words which are more positive words, we tend to use a lot of negative words in our life. Using more positive words for relationship building can always be a better way of doing things. Like, for example, you don't like a sabzi that is made at home, but you eat it because there's nothing else. The next best thing is, next time when the cook comes, tell the cook, I like this, I have done this, I like this, can you please make this for me today? You're a part of the family. You have every right to tell the cook what you want to eat And you can always ask. We don't ask. And if you don't ask, you don't get answers. So, and question is a question. Question is not right or wrong, believable, unbelievable. It is just a plain question. So ask questions. When we become adults, we stop asking questions. We stop asking questions. A very simple thing. Generally, my daughter's also a teacher, and she works the whole day. So in between, when she comes out of her class from online, and I ask, can I ask you a question? She said, no, not now. Keep it for later, write it down, and then ask me later. Because she's not in a mood or a frame to answer my question at that time. I should not feel bad. Initially, I used to feel so bad. So here I am, my mother, asking her a question. It is so urgent for me. It may be urgent for you, but it may not be of that great importance for her because she knows what you're going to ask probably. But have patience, communicate well with people, and have good attitude to life. Your attitude makes your aptitude. Your attitude makes your happiness. You know, it is your happiness that is important. And if you are not happy as the woman of the house, even if you don't think or believe this, but the family goes down. So sweet. That's your grandson, Vaishnavi. Is he your grandson?
Yes, he's Chandan. Yeah.
Oh, very sweet. Hi, Chandan. Welcome.
Hi.
It's too early for you to come into this class. So your attitude, happiness will define you. Like very often we play a game in our class. You can think about this and every day think about something new for yourself. If your name, like my name starts with an S. So I say put an adjective that defines you. Every day try to put, if you can put 30 adjectives which are positive for yourself, it will help. Because it's your reference diary for yourself. To look, oh yes, on Tuesday I was a smiling Savitri. Where did it go on Wednesday? Why did I write something else? But try to write as many positive words as possible. Thinking positively becomes difficult because the first thought that comes to any human mind is always a negative thought.
Why is it so, ma'am?
We are conditioned that way. Because you remember, we tell people, if not, we are conditioned in the world of if not. If you do this, then this will happen. If you don't do this, then this will not happen. We are always in that if not. Cut away the if not and you'll get more positive. Cut away that if not. Don't stay with the if not. And then you see how life becomes more easy and experimental. I have tried it in the last 4 months since I lost my husband. And I have found that I have changed so much in my thinking. Because I just cut away the word if not from my life. And then I found there were possibilities and possibilities that I could do because of what I am as a person. I have in fact learned so many things about myself, being by myself, and then doing all that, like trying to write down today Savitri was this. I write a diary or I just journal. Those of you who love to journal your emotions. It helps. When you read it later, you find, oh my God, did this happen to me? And then you know how to deal with it. So I do a lot of journaling. I write once a week everything that I have done in the week, whatever my emotions, whatever my actions, and how did I feel doing it. So it helps me to understand myself even better.
Ma'am, sorry to interrupt, but we have just 5 minutes. So if you want to take question and answers.
Please, any questions from the class? You can give your feedback on the chat. How did you find the class? Did you want any other information? Or did you want me to change my style? Whatever, please write on the chat so that we have, I get to know how you found the class. Rita, you are my encourager and motivator now. I hope to see you more in the dance class.
If you are a registered participant, you will receive an email and then
at 12 o'clock there's a dance.
At 11 o'clock?
12 o'clock.
Okay, I will try to come in today.
Yes, try.
What are the 4 compartments of the Johari window?
One is the arena, which is the open window, hidden window, blind window, and unknown window.
Open window? Could you
Hidden
repeat?
window. Open
Hidden.
window is called the arena.
Okay.
It is like the arena.
Yeah. Oh, hidden,
Then
unknown,
is the
and
blind window, hidden window, and unknown. I will send across some notes to Isha. She will circulate it to you all. I had made some notes for this class, Isha. I'll send it across to you. If you can share your email, I will send it across to you. You can circulate it.
Okay. Shall I WhatsApp you? Is that okay?
Yeah. So please put down your feedback on the chat so that we know how it.
Okay. Any more queries?
I have more classes like this, ma'am. Very nice class.
Thank you.
Really very nice. For the first time I've come to this class.
Thank you.
and I
Thank you.
enjoyed it.
Thank you, Helen. Thank you so much.
I too have come for the first time.
Oh, is it? Nice. Thank you.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
The last class I had heard from Binda. So I
Okay.
thought I just joined it.
Okay, thank you. How do you pronounce your name? Quresh? You're on mute. Unmute yourself.
I'm not Quresh. That's my husband's name. I'm Fazila. Fazillah. Fazila.
Okay, Fazila. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
but I have to change that name. Yeah. So,
Okay.
but I don't know how to do it, but I'll ask my husband how to do it.
No issues.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
When are you coming next? Because today I didn't join properly. My network was not working.
My next class is on the 19th.
19. Okay.
Ma'am, what
Like it, थोड़ा बहुत
subjects
जो
you take?
सुना बहुत अच्छा लगा मेरे को भी मुझमें निकालना है सब.
Thank you. Yes,
What
Faisal.
subjects do you take?
I'm an HR expert. I'm an expert in human resources. I have a PhD in human resources.
Superb. Okay, lovely.
Wow.
Okay, are we done?
You can check classes
Thank
for
you.
Sakshi
Bye-bye.
ma'am and for other all sessions on our website, that is www.getsetup.in. You'll find all these classes there itself.
Bye, all of you. And
Bye. Thank you. Thanks a
have
lot.
a great weekend. Have a great
Please share your
weekend.
feedback.
To Binda madam, ma'am, she told us to
Thank you.
come on at 10 o'clock today. So we did it.
Thank you.
Yeah.
For the first time, I heard you. Very nice.
Thank you, Jayashree. Thank you.
Very nice. I really admire you. Very nice.
Okay, Isha, bye.
Bye.
Bye.